Assalamualaikum and good morning one and all. How are you all my dear children? Fine? Okay, hope you all are fine in your home. Today GK class, right? We have a new topic today. We have a new topic. Which is our topic? Public places. What is it? Public places. What is public places? Yes, public places which can be used by everyone. Used by everyone. That open for everyone. Okay? We have some public places in our textbook. Shall we go through one by one? Okay, first one, I will show you the picture of one public place. Okay? Look at that. Yes, many buses are there, no? Many buses are there. So, that is bus station. Yes, we can call bus stand also. Bus station. That is our first public place. Bus station. What is bus station? That is, see, look at the picture. That is our nearest bus station. Can you identify that? That is our nearest bus station. Yes, Kondoti bus station. Yes, Kondoti bus station. What is bus station? Yes, buses come and go. Buses come and go. Their routes. Why we need buses? Why we need buses? When do we need bus? If we want to go to a long place, not long place, short place also. If we don't have any other vehicles or we can't drive that much places, that much distance, yes, of course, we depend on buses. എപ്പോഴാണ് നമുക്ക് ബസ് ആവശ്യമുണ്ടാവുക? If you don't have any other vehicles, കാറോ സ്കൂട്ടറോ എന്നൊക്കെ ഇല്ലാത്തപ്പോൾ we depend buses. And how can we identify that buses, their routes and all? Routes, places. See, the buses are having boards. On the board, yes, written the places. Okay, by reading we can identify which route is that bus will go to this route, that route, like that. Okay, children, which public place is this? This is our first one, bus station. See, children, look at the next public place. That is, yes, of course, that is railway station. We can see trains there. One train is there. See, that railway station is our nearest. Which is our nearest railway station? Yes, on the picture on the screen. Yes, Farooq railway station. That is Farooq railway station. Children, what are the things in the railway station? Can you tell me? Yes, railway track will be there. Platform will be there for waiting. Then ticket counter will be there. And one thing we learned the previous class, who will be there who will be working in the railway station? People who serve us in the topic we learn, no? Station master, yes. Station master will be there. Ticket counter will be there. Then platform and track. Railway track also there. We can see all these in the railway station. Children, for what purpose we need railway station? For what is the purpose of railway station? Children, if we want to travel a long distance, we must depend on train. Right? Without tiredness, we can go and come. Right? And we also know which is our longest vehicle? Yes, that is train. Okay? So tell me, which is our nearest railway station? Once again tell me. Okay, look and tell me. Farooq railway station. Children, we saw railway station and bus station, right? Now I will show you a beautiful place. Okay? Look and say, what is this? Yes, you all like this very much, right? That is park. That is park. This is our nearest park. Do you know? You may go this place many times, but can you identify which park it is? Think and tell me which is our nearest park. Which is our nearest park? Yes, Kottakunna. Yes, Kottakunna. This is Kottakunna. Now we are standing in Kottakunna Park. Okay. What are the things will be here? For why we are coming here? For enjoyment, right? For relaxation, enjoyment. Okay. Okay, see, full of grasses and bushes, and we can see different play items. We will play here. Then we can sit and enjoy the nature. We can breathe good air, fresh air, right? For all this, we love this place very much, right? We can see any other small parks, big parks, but this is our nearest park, that is Kottakunna, right? Okay, children, now I will show you the another place. Okay, this you can identify. This also you can identify which places. Look at here. It's a busy place, no? Yes, this is the busy place. Yes, of course, this is market. This is market. See, many things are there, no? With different sections, different areas, different things we can see in the market. But can you identify which market is this? This is our nearest market. Yes, this also Kondoti market. This is Kondoti market. In the market we can see vegetable, one area vegetable area, then other side then fruits, then meats, then fish market, then many other items, right? All in one busy place. Many sellers and many buyers. വിൽക്കുന്നവരുണ്ടാവും, അത് വാങ്ങുന്നവരുണ്ടാവും, അല്ലേ? Okay, this is market. Which is our nearest market? Once again tell me. Kondoti market. Now children, look at the next public place. That is, okay, airport. We can see many aeroplanes are there. That is our nearest airport. Which is our nearest airport, you know? Yes, Karipur. Karipur is our nearest airport. That is Karipur. Okay. Okay, children. Why we need airport? Why we need aeroplane? If we want to travel a long distance, we will depend on aeroplane. Okay, with aeroplane we can reach quickly there. Okay, children, we know which is the fastest vehicle. We already learned that fastest vehicle is aeroplane. Yes, do you remember one plane crash occurred in recently? Yes, where is it? Yes, Karipur. Yes, nearest our place, right? So once again tell me which is the public place? This place? Airport. Okay, shall we do the next one? I will show you the next one. That is, yes, we like very much. That is, we like very much. What is it? Yes, beach. What is it? Beach. Do you like beach? Yes, we will go for enjoyment, right? We can see the. Before that, you tell me which beach is this? Yes, this is our nearest beach, Calicut Beach, right? Calicut Beach. Okay, why we are going? What is the purpose of beach? Why we are going beach? We can observe waves, right? തിരമാലകൾ അല്ലേ? We can feel wind. Then one beautiful scenery will be there. One sunset, right? We can see sunset, right? Then the children will play with football and playing with kite. We can relax, we can enjoy. Tell me once again, which public place is this? Yes, this is beach. Now I want to bring all the public places in our textbook all on the board. Okay, see, all public places are here. Shall we read one by one? Okay, first one is bus station. Oh, we want to read that. Shall we say the spellings? Bus station. Shall we read it? For reading, we want to say the spelling. Okay? Bus station. You already know bus. How to write bus? B-U-S. Bus. Then how to write station? S-T-A-T-I-O-N. Station. Bus station. What is the next one? Which picture is that? Oh, okay. Railway station. How to write railway station? R-A-I-L-W-A-Y. Railway station. Station we already learned. S-T-A-T-I-O-N. Station. Okay. So bus station, railway station. Station is common, that we already learned in station master, right? Yes, station master work in railway station. Okay. Now next one is park. That is very easy, no? Park. P-A-R-K. Park. Okay, the next one is, yes, market. Market. M-A-R-K-E-T. Market. The next one, airport. Airport. A-I-R-P-O-R-T. Airport. The last one is beach. B-E-A-C-H. B-E-A-C-H. Beach. Children, we learn some of public places and we read their names. Children, we have some works in our workbook related this topic. See here, find out the names of public places and circle it. See, all the public places, names of public places are here. You want to find out. You want to find out and write it here. Okay? Will you do it? And another one also here. See, look at the picture. See, just I read the first one. I am in a. Where is the, see, the girl is standing. Look at the picture and fill in this gap. Okay. I am waiting for the bus. What we can fill here? Yes, bus station. Okay, like that you have to look at the picture and fill the gaps. Okay, the public places is over. The next week we have a new topic. Okay, Assalamu alaikum. Have a nice day.